Good morning. What's up, everybody? Hopefully everybody's doing good this morning. Hold on, let me get a couple things set up and then we are ready to rock. Hold on. So, yesterday took 0 trades, no trades at all. I missed another SPY bounce, and that was the only trade that I wanted. Missed it, wasn't gonna force anything. The watch list printed though. If you guys got anything off the watch list, you definitely printed yesterday. Yesterday, just to kind of review what we talked about, I said to watch Meta for that reject. It was like it was that 111.16 level. So if we go and look at Meta, you can see that we pumped right up into that level. Remember, we had confluence there with the 61.8% retracement, plus the trend line came up, smacked it, rejected it, came back down. Don't care about that. And then the SPY trade I was looking at, and at the time I was like, okay, I'm not gonna, take this. It's not giving me exactly what I want. I went back and I reviewed it yesterday and I was like, okay, this is why I should have actually taken the trade. So if we're looking at SPY, there was 2 areas that I ended up taking, which was the pre-market low to the high right here, and then the low right here to the high right here. I didn't have the 50% retracement on. I took it off, and looking back at it, I should definitely be keeping it on. But if we go to the 1 minute, not even using the 50%, just paying attention to the 61.8, if we look at the 1 minute, we can see that we broke below and then we started to reclaim the 61.8. So this just coming down to the level doesn't validate the entry. What validates it is when you reclaim it. Now, again, I thought that this was a pretty big breakdown. That's why I didn't really want to touch it. But going back and looking at it, look at the price action we had at the 61.8. We reclaimed it here, came up, or opened this candle here, dipped down, reclaimed it, pushed, came back down, hit it again, got very close for 3-4 more minutes, and then we just ripped. So looking back, what I should have done was gotten my entry here, or maybe somewhere around here with my stop loss below the low of this candle. And as you can see, SPY just exploded all day. So yeah, took no trades yesterday. As you guys know, I'm very honest with my trading. I'll let you know if I take a trade or if I don't take a trade, if I have a red day, if I make 20 bucks or I have a huge day. I will let you guys know. I could have just very easily said, yeah, I scalped SPY with 100 contracts. But I don't do that. Very honest with the trading. Anyways, let's make this watch list today. Let's see what we like. And remember, yesterday in the watch list, we talked about that 4-hour squeeze on SPY, and I said there was a pretty good chance that we could see 400. Let's bring this over here. As you can see, SPY 1 hour, 4-hour squeeze yesterday, 8:32 a.m. No edits to it. High risk reject at 398.38. If we break through there, we could see 400. And sure enough, I'm pretty sure we closed right at 400. But again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 150 people in here, 45 likes. Remember, running up to 150 likes and you guys will get the watch list. Now, the thing is with SPY, I actually have no reject spots at all on SPY. Now, if we get a pretty hard pullback, maybe we can get a bounce, but I have no rejects, no bounces on SPY. Let me pull up the one chart that we were looking at. Hold on. Yeah, 405 is my next reject. After that, 414, 418, 54. Nothing. So let's see. If we were to get a bounce in the market, where could it potentially be? I'll tell you what, if we crack above 401.09, I'm interested in calls. A potential bounce, we could take this high to low. And then this low to this high. We have confluence at 279.4 to 2, or oh my god, 3. Oh my, what just happened? Hold on. 397.4, 397.3. So we have some confluence there. I doubt that we're going to have anything from this to this. No, that's going to need a further pullback. So my main area to look for a potential bounce in SPY is 397.4, 397.3. That's our area of confluence. Wait, keep the 50, take off 61.8. And we'll leave the 50 for now. Let's see, I know we have news at 8:30. So we'll look at that. Then, depending on where that 1 hour 21 EMA ends up going, could look for a bounce there as well. But yeah, let's get this SPY out to everybody so you guys have it. SPY, main area of confluence is at 397.3 to 397.4. Let's hold on, before I send that out, let's look at just basic support and resistance real quick. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing day, because we're sitting right at that 400. We got a level way down there. Nothing here. Yeah. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Again, hopefully you guys find value in this live stream. Over at 401.09. You can see 402.3. After that, honestly, I think we see 405 very soon. That's that 200-day SMA. I'm pretty sure they just want to push it there. So, we'll see. But let's see, main area of confluence 397.3 to 397.4. I will be looking for a bounce there. Higher risk spot would be, where's that 1 hour 21? 399.5. 399.5. Also looking for calls above, what is that pre-market high? 401.10. No, I don't want to restart my computer. 401.10. I think we will see 405 if we can break above there. Let's get this screenshot. So you can see where I took the two pivot high, pivot lows. I used previous day's low to the pre-market high, and then yesterday's pre-market low to today's pre-market high. And then we have confluence. Yep, 405 is a huge level. 200-day SMA. We also have a fib up there. That 61.8 that we just talked about. Let's see. Right there, that 50%, 405.10. So we have a lot of confluence there. So I'm going to look for a few bounces on SPY today. Market is still strong. We do have FOMC minutes today. So we got to pay attention to that. QQQ did break above that trend line that we talked about yesterday. 4-hour squeeze did release up. So let's make sure we're not near any rejects. All right, there's two. Yep, we broke above that. Let's see. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. So we're not above there. Try this high, this low, way past that, and then, yep, we got a while to go until we get there. Cool. So it looks like the main reject, 289.19 if we can get up there, possibly 287.53. We'll see. But let's see, we bounced off of there. As far as bounces, take yesterday's low, pre-market high. We would need a really hard pullback to hit that bounce, and then we have 285.55. So those are my two areas that I'm going to watch for a bounce on, what is this, QQQ. How many people we got in here? 206 people, 89 likes. Remember, 150 likes, and you guys get the watch list, so run it up. All is in your court. Hold on one second. What news do we even have today? Is it at 8:30 or 10? Hold on. Let me look. Economic calendar. Durable goods, initial jobless claims, continuing jobless claims. Then we have news at 9:45, which is going to be the PMI. And then 10 o'clock, we have new home sales, inflation, and consumer sentiment. Cool. All right, so QQQ 285.50 bounce. The market really pulls, and I'll be looking for some bounces way down here, but we got some room till we get down there. Do we have a gap on QQQ? No, there's no gap. No gap. Yeah, 280 or 285.50. Yeah, okay. Just go on Google, type in economic calendar. It'll pop up from Market Watch. QQQ. And then if we crack above the highs, 287, possible reject up there, break above there, then we got a lot of room. QQQ, possible bounce, levels. I am watching 285.5, 283.75, 282.96. We'll determine if it bounces once price reaches. Other than that, looking for a break above 287.01 for calls. High risk reject. 287.53 above there. We have a lot of room. Cool. There's QQQ. We'll look at the oil names. Hold on. Bang. QQQ. Savage already put his levels out today. I know he put out a market calendar. Alrighty. Let's look at Exxon. Exxon got pulled. Oxy pulled. Chevron pulled. Oil. Weird. Is there news? Oh yeah, it's 8:30. All right, let's see what the news was. Let's see how SPY reacted. Let's see. Jobless claims 240,000, forecast 225,000, previous 222,000. Continuing jobless claims 1.551 mil, forecast 1.52 mil, previous 1.507 mil. Durable goods actual 0.5%, forecast 0%, previous negative 0.5%. I think that's all. Cool. Let's see how the market reacts. Give it a couple minutes, digest all the information. While that is happening, again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 225 people in here, 120 likes. Only half of you have clicked that like button, or a little more than half of you. So Again, 150 likes, you guys get the watch list. And in case you guys did not know, I have a trading book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages going through my entire strategy A through Z. You're gonna learn support and resistance, option Greeks, my specific strategy, all of these indicators you see on the screen right here, plus much, much more. So if you guys want to check it out, that is the link right there. Yep, I just said the jobless claims. Question is, do we keep holding this 400? We gotta start dumping. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? You gotta get the early in and out indicator. That's what comes with the color candles. But yeah, very interested in that bounce. All right. So let's find the stocks that we want to watch for today. Pull up the DMs to my. Do we have some confluence? Yep. And again, in case you guys didn't know, I have a completely free newsletter. I actually sent out a newsletter last night. I got a lot of positive feedback about it. So if you guys want to sign up for the free newsletter, there's a link for that. I've already had to upgrade the account twice because so many of you signed up. But yeah, keep running it up. It's $3.99. AMD, I'd be interested in like 74, 72 for a possible bounce. So we'll put that. Video. I mean, if we fill the gap from 403 to 408 today, I'd be surprised. It's not to say it won't happen, but I would be very shocked. Yeah, Nvidia, same thing, 159.05, that 1 hour 21 EMA, could look for a bounce there. And let's see, Amazon. Still sitting on that 61.8. Don't care about that. Coin. Pretty sure that double bottom. I'm getting emails from you guys signing up right now. Yeah, coin, that double bottom smacked. Let's see, coin, dice, we're in that swing. We already looked at Nvidia. Oxy. We already looked at Oxy. SU looking for the swing. Might not be able to get it. Cool. Let's see what is squeezing today. Not much. Apple, we looked at AMD, Amazon. We can look at Boeing. Supposed to be hopping on a Twitter space today too. Make sure you guys are following me on there. Let's see, Boeing still just flagging on the daily, but I don't know, I'm not too interested in this. Maybe next week. We looked at Coin, Costco, just straight ripper. Let's actually look at Walmart and HD. All right, so Walmart still has that 1 hour squeeze. Only issue is it's getting so overextended on the daily and it hit my bounce already. So with Walmart, I'd be interested if we cracked 152 or yeah, 152.7. Walmart HD kind of flagging on the 1 hour. Let's see. Let's delete all this. Maybe HD. There's some liquidity in the 330s. we get up there. $332 is the next level. All right. HD question mark. And then let's see, Meta. Finally breaking above the trend line that we talked about. Nice 4-hour squeeze, holding above the moving averages. I'd be interested if Meta cracked above 112. Meta. I know Microsoft was looking strong the other day. That broke above the flag yesterday. That 4-hour squeeze fired up. Unfortunately, I just don't trade Microsoft anymore. Let's see, Netflix, very close. Actually, pretty much hit that 61.8 to a T yesterday. And then just ripped, but not interested in this. We already went over SPY, gave all my levels for that. QQQ, we looked. Tesla. Not really interested in Tesla, only if we got a pullback. Let's see. Cool. AMD, Nvidia, Walmart, HD, and Meta are the ones I like. I think Meta is my favorite stock. Cool. Alrighty. Get all these levels out to everybody. If Meta can break 112, interested in calls, broke the trend line we discussed yesterday. Nice 4-hour squeeze. What do the person's pivots say? I didn't even know Apple had news. Yeah, break above 112. We could see, what was that? Yesterday's high. We're way above yesterday's high. Cool. Aim for 112.6. Daily pivot. Again, make sure you guys are running up that like button. I mean, let's see. Are we near any SMAs? No SMAs. No pivots. Today's Wednesday. What was, let's see, Monday's high. I know, Monday's high was right there. Now, if we crack above there, I mean, Meta has a lot of room. I don't see any support or resistance. I mean, right there is one level. All right. After that, though, we got a lot of room. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see, maybe a bounce. If we got a pretty hard pullback in the market, I'd look for a bounce, but as of now, got some scalps that we can take on Meta. If we crack that 112.76, it's so long. No, I don't like Tesla today. Meta. 4-hour squeeze plus breaking above the trend line discussed yesterday. If price can break 112, I will be looking for calls. Price targets. 112.37, 112.6, 112.76. Above there, that's where we can see some room. Not interested in Netflix either. What's on my list today? SPY, QQQ, AMD, Nvidia, Walmart, HD, and Meta. If it's not on there, it's not on the list. Question is, do we want to watch an AMD bounce or do we want to watch an Nvidia bounce? think I might go with the AMD today. Yeah, let's look for the AMD bounce. Very simple. We can get that retest. 74.75. Or just a break of 76.50. Honestly, would prefer the bounce. 76.50. We got room. 77.36. Monthly pivot. Cool. AMD. Looking for a possible bounce at 74.75 for calls, or a break above 76.42. Price target equals 77.36. Boom, there's AMD. And then let's see. Walmart or HD, which one do we like more? Guess it really depends. So level 2 say. I guarantee you this is going to be on Grizzly's list, but if I were to be interested in Walmart, it would be a break above 152.7. The only issue is it's getting so overextended on the daily time frame that I would say it's a little higher risk. HD kind of flagging, broke above that symmetrical, or not, the ascending triangle. I mean, this could move 322.29. Would be a nice bounce. Low to high. Where's this line up? Oh, yeah. All right, 322.22 for a bounce on HG. No, I don't like anything about Tesla today. Cool. Let's get HG on the list. And then let me check the pivots real quick. Cool. Let's get this bounce. Or it just cracks yesterday's high and it rips. Either or. But yeah, I really like that bounce. Confluence. And finally, HD. HD looking for a bounce at 322.22 to 322.3. 3 confluence of the 61.8% retracement plus 1 hour 21 EMA. Boom. AMD is just a 1 hour 21 EMA. There's no fibs that AMD is even near, so we'll look at the 1 hour 21 for a possible bounce. There's HD. Now, what I really want to happen today is for SPY to give us that pullback to 397.4. I will be very interested there. Very, very interested. So, SPY, QQQ, Meta, we got over here, AMD, HD, and that is the watch list today. Cool. Let's get it. So it's 8:46. If you guys got questions, feel free to ask any questions whatsoever. And then before I drop the watch list, 2 things. Again, if you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to learn more about my overall trading strategy in a 450-page book, trust me, you're going to learn a lot. That is the link right there. And then also make sure to sign up for my free newsletter. It's completely free. I send out 1 to 2 a week. Education, overall market review, my favorite stocks to watch, and so much more. So those are the links right there. But here is the watch list. So I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So do your own due diligence and use your own proper risk management. Boom, there's SPY, QQQ. Meta. What's up, Reem? I always do at the money contracts. We might actually get that bounce. I'll be very happy. If we can just sell straight off into that level, I'm going to rip it. Rip it like a frog. Yep, ideally looking for longs today. We're in an uptrend, so ideally looking for the calls. I don't have any reject spots as of now. Just going to have to wait and see. Yes, I have a video showing my chart setup, and then I talk about how to find the levels in my book. Yes. And again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 or 8:20 a.m. You guys are missing out if you're not joining in. I'll tell you what, I will not be live tomorrow, though. Thanksgiving, baby. And then I might be live on Friday. I don't know if I want to trade on Friday. Yeah, I just feel like Thanksgiving, the market being closed, and then the next day being a half day, there's going to be no volume. That's just my feeling. So I might be on. I'll let you guys know. And then if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, follow me on Instagram, use any of my affiliate links for Bookmap, which is offering a Black Friday deal. If you guys were looking to get into that, TTM Squeeze Pro, which is going to be 30% off right now. So find that in that link right there, the Beacons page. Use discount code Turkey, all caps. TrendSpider also in there is running a Black Friday deal. And then, yeah, if you want to join the Discord, trade live with me like we do every single day, make sure to hop on in. But you guys got me for 5 more minutes. Feel free to ask me anything. I'm just sitting here watching the market, see how we react. I mean, it's really up to you. If you want everything, you gotta go with the highest package. This is, I'm pretty sure this is like most of it. The Ready, Aim, Fire, which I don't really use this too much. I have it on its own screen. The early in and out indicator, which are these colored candles right here, which reflect the TTM Squeeze Pro. You get the up arrows plus the TTM Squeeze. So the way that the packages go with the TTM Squeeze Pro, the basic one, I'm pretty sure you just get the TTM Squeeze Pro plus these up and down arrows. The next package, I want to say you get the Ready, Aim, Fire. And then the third package, you get the colored candlesticks. Again, don't quote me on it. It's on the website. It'll let you know what you get per package. Plus, I think they throw in a few extra things. I bought this, the TTM Squeeze Pro. I actually bought it like years ago, well before I was affiliated with them. With HD, I'm looking for calls. My must-have indicator is TTM Squeeze, and then my exponential moving averages. See if we can get a bounce on ES, if we can get some confluence with that. Boom. Yeah, same area, confluence. I mean, I'm down. I'll rip it. No, typically what I'm looking for when we get into a reject or a bounce level is I'm looking for a big move going into it. So say, actually, let's just pull up an example. Let's see, boom. No, maximize. Let's go to the SPY one that we were watching the other day. Or even yesterday, it doesn't matter. Both of them, they did the same thing. So if we look at SPY, I had a reject spot the other day from this high to this low, which gave us that reject spot at 395.72. So now if we look at the price action going into 395.72, we open right here at 394.64, dropped slightly, and then pumped all the way up into this level. So when we have a big move going into a reject or down into a bounce, it makes it higher probability that we're going to reject or bounce. The same thing yesterday. Man, I really wish I had that 50% on. But we opened all the way up here at 396.65, and within 15 minutes, we sold all the way down to 395.18. That's a big sell-off, making it higher probability that we're going to bounce. Now, obviously, you don't want to just blindly buy it. If it gets down to a level, you want to look at the level too. Confirm the move. But yeah, that's what I look for. Hopefully that made sense. What other questions we got? Or is everybody good today? Hold on. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed. Again, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Give you guys the watch list for completely free. And then I have over 900 videos on my channel teaching you how to trade for completely free. Completely free. Free 99. Yes, TTM Squeeze Pro is a one-time purchase. Again, make sure you do use my affiliate link if you decide to get it, which you can find right in here. But yeah, free 99, so much education on this channel. Can't stress it enough. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. It's 8:55. Everybody take it easy. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 20 minutes. And yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make that money. No, I don't trade 0DT. Never. But yeah, everyone have an amazing day.